we are all aware, mining is an economic activity just like any other business activity involving production of minerals and metals, including extraction. But mining differs from other industries as it generates large amounts of solid waste, destruction of the landscape, and consequent impacts on environment. It consumes over 10% of the world energy and is responsible for about 13% of sulfur dioxide emissions in the atmosphere. You see, all over the world, in their headlong pursuit for volume, many mining countries, including India, abandoned their focus on business fundamentals. Rather than maintaining a long-term view of the market, many acted opportunistically, for which the industry is paying the price today. The national resource sector has been passing through a challenging phase in India. Even with abundant resources, we are not able to leverage it for our economic strength. It is necessary to improve the building blocks of governance required for the extractive industries to contribute to the sustainable development. Mineral development can be and should be a blessing, not a curse. Keeping in view the stricter environmental and regulatory regime, community expectations, it is time for mining companies to change the way they do business. Situation demands that industry has greater environmental and social accountability. The critical focus should not be how mining can be sustainable, but how mining, minerals and metals contribute to sustainable development.